we're back at the shop, and today we're doing probably the cheapest paint job that is possible. We went to our local store and we got black paint for $4 per can, and today we're painting our drift car. So I got some help from my homie. We're gonna sand and paint the E36 today. We still have to mount the other side of the over fenders. We have just the back to do and the side skirt, and then we're gonna start sanding, and then we have some primer, then we have the cheap color and some 2K clear coat. So the whole car is sanded down and we're just cleaning it with some acetone, and then we can start primering it. It's all masked off too. So all the parts are primered. Gonna let it dry for about an hour, then sand it down with 600, and then the paint goes on. And we're sanding the primer with 800, and after we can paint. So the paint is on, no clear coat yet. We're gonna let it dry for 10-15 minutes and then put on some 2K clear coat, but it's already looking really good. We are now on the second coat of this 2K clear coat, and it's looking really good. It's the next day, so let's take off all the tape and see how it looks. I didn't really tape these off too nice because these are going to be chrome anyway in the end. Looking pretty good. I drove the car out of the shop and wow. No one's gonna believe me, this is a $100 paint job. Like actually, it looks insane. course there's like some dust in there as well, but this paint was literally $3.95 per can. You can't tell me anything. I mean, I can see myself in the reflection. There's some orange peel on some parts, but I mean, look at this. It's great. These guys keep interrupting me. Is he doing a backflip? Oh my days. He is. That's crazy. Pink interior is looking really good, especially in the sun. With all the glitter. It's my seat for now. And I mean, I still have to weld on my handbrake, and then the interior will come back together, the pink steering wheel will go on, everything will go back together. But I mean, wow, look at this, looks great. So next step, bash bar back and front, figure out what setup I'm gonna run on the rear for. Either I'm gonna stack 2 bumpers, or I'm just gonna put on the aero kit, have 1 exit. But I would kind of want to stack bumpers and have quad exhaust. Haven't seen that on any E36 drift car. I think it would look great. Kind of like the E38 V8 stocks.